All right guys, so yesterday I finished up the ceiling and today I'm gonna start the upper cabinets, so let's go. Endlessly good, girl, you know it. I don't even know the words that well. So one of my neighbors put me onto a place called City Plywood, which sells much better quality plywood than Home Depot and Lowe's at a cheaper price. So let's drive over there.
Starting route to City Plywood.
Hey there. Alright, so I got 3 sheets of 1/4-inch birch and 1 sheet of 3/4 inch birch with a nice pre-finished side, H-band and glue, all for $141. This would have been like $300 at Home Depot. Not bad. Alright, so they're grabbing all the plywood right now to load it up. All right, so we're all loaded up, got the receipt. Now it's time to get to the warehouse and make some cabinets. All right guys, so the plan is to finish the walls here. I'm not gonna finish the walls down here because we do have a window that's coming in here and it's just taking forever to get delivered. But we're gonna go ahead and put a wall there and then build all the upper cabinets from there all the way to there. All right, so we did run into a small issue. We didn't take into consideration that this wire harness would be in the way when the wall tries to rest on here. So basically we're putting our wall on and it's wanting to rest on the wire harness, and that is an issue. So what we're gonna do to fix that is we're gonna pull this off and we're gonna make a notch right here like this. We're gonna cut that out and then the wire harness can run inside of here so the wall can rest on top of here nice and flush. All right, so we went ahead and cut out our notch, and now this wire harness can rest inside of here like this, and the wall will be able to lay flush on top of here and not cover our wire harness. So now we're going to go ahead and install the wall. All right, so we made a perfect template for the sides of the cabinets and the dividers. So we're going to go ahead and cut 8 pieces out. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is install this veneer H-band on all the edges. All right, so I traced out all my templates and glued my H-band on. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut them all out. Got our templates cut out. All right, so this is gonna be the bottom of the cabinet. Our cabinet is gonna be 8 feet wide. 8 feet long. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it out to this exact width right here. All right, now that the H-band is glued on and it's been sitting for about 30 minutes, we need to cut off the excess. So the best way to do that is with a file. So all you gotta do is just take the file and just start doing this. So this will take off the excess and it gives you a really nice finish that looks like this. And then all this is going to be sanded and painted and you'll never be able to tell that this is even veneer. All right, we got the frame of the cabinet all built out. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring it into the van to see how it fits. The frames of the cabinet fit really nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the faces. All right, so we got 3 of our cabinet faces made. Alright guys, so we finally finished them up. All we need to do now is paint them. I'm not a professional carpenter, so don't judge me if you are a professional carpenter, but this is what they look like. They are soft closing. This is the color scheme that we're going to go with. The cabinets are going to be this color or this color, and then the walls are going to be this color right here. And we're also going to be adding struts and 3 other cabinets to this side, so stay tuned.